Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Mighty Networks and Circle. Mighty Networks and Circle are both community building platforms that let creators connect with their audience and earn money, but they work in slightly different ways. Mighty Network is a more on all-in-one platform. You can create courses, run events, start discussions, and set up paid membership all under one roof. It's great if you want to build a full community experience with social features like activity feeds, member profiles, and topic-based groups. It also offers mobile apps and strong customization options, which are helpful if you want your community to feel like its own space. It's ideal for creators who want to run everything in one place without needing third-party tools. Circle, on the other hand, is cleaner and more focused. It's built strong structured communities and is especially popular among course creators and coaches. You can set up discussion spaces, live streams, events, and memberships. It integrates easily with tools like Teachable and ConvertKit, so if you already use those, Circle might fit right in. It feels a bit more professional and polished, but it doesn't have quite as many built-in monetization options as Mighty Networks unless you use it with other tools. In my opinion, if you want a complete, self-contained platform for community, content, and monetization, Mighty Networks is the better pick. If you want a sleek, flexible community space that works well alongside your other tools, Circle might suit your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.